So today we will do word problem by using formula method or splitting the middle term. It doesn't matter here. We can use any method. We have studied all the methods, so we can use any method. The sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age in 3 years ago is before 3 years. What was his age, and 5 years from now, what will be his age from 5 years from now, and the reciprocal of them is equal to the sum of their reciprocal is equal to 1/3. Okay, reciprocal. Important thing is here sum of the reciprocal is age reciprocal. First, we will find Rahman's age 3 years ago and then 5 years from now, and we will take their reciprocal, and the sum of the reciprocals is equal to 1/3. Okay, so we have to let the Rahman's present age. We will let Rahman's present age be X years, as we are doing always. Rahman's present Rahman's present age be X years. Okay. So 5 years ago, what was his age 5 years ago? X minus 3. Okay. So 3 years ago. So 3 years ago, his age was X minus 3, because from today, 3 years ago, you have to subtract 3. So 3 years ago, his age was X minus 3 years, obviously. And 5 years from now, from today his age is X years. So 5 years from now, his age will be 5 years from now. Is after 5 years. 5 years from now, his age will be 5 years will be added X plus 5. Okay. But the question is their sum of their reciprocal. Now its reciprocal will be 1 by reciprocal according to given condition. Now you can write HEC. Reciprocal of this age is 1 by X minus 3. And reciprocal of this age is 1 by X by plus 5. And their sum. The question is the sum of the reciprocal. These are the reciprocal, and their sum is equal to 1/3 is given in the question. Okay, this we got the equation. Now solve this equation. Okay, and find the value of x. Take the LCM, simple LCM. This will multiply this, and this 2 will multiply together. The LCM x minus 3 into x plus 5, and this x plus 5 will multiply with this one. This one we get x plus 5, and this x minus 3 will multiply with this one. We get plus x minus 3 is equal to 1/3. Okay. So x plus x, 2x, and this denominator you can cross multiply after solving it. So we get x plus x, 2x, x plus x will be added, 5 minus 3, 2. So 2x plus 2. We will get 2x plus 2 divided by x minus 3 into x plus 5 is equal to 1/3. Now you can cross multiply. 3 will multiply with 2x minus 2, and right hand side x minus 3 and x minus 3 will multiply with x plus 5 with this 1. Okay, now solve it. We get 3 to the 6x minus 3 to the 6 is equal to x multiply x into x square 5 minus 5 minus 3 5 minus 3 2x and minus 5 3 the 50. Directly I put the formula. You can multiply this then minus 3 and then you can get. I put the formula directly x square plus a plus b x plus ab. So we get now all terms will be taken on one side. So we can write on right hand side. This left hand side has become 0. See, this is 0. And right hand side we are writing 2x minus 15 and this 6x will be taken on right hand side. It will become minus 6x and plus 6. Actually we are doing this one. But whenever both sides, one side you get 0. So instead of writing left side, we used to write right hand side 0. So directly we are not writing here 0. But we are transposing this equation on right hand side. So generally we do it directly, but how to do it I told you. Now x square minus 6 plus 4 plus 2. So minus 4x and minus 15. This minus 15 plus 6. 4x should be added, but plus 5x minus 3 correct x plus x 2x 5 minus 3 2. So 3 2 plus 6x minus 6 here x minus 3 so x square 5 minus 3 2x minus 5 to the 15 minus 6x and plus 6. Should be x square minus 4x minus 21. But where is the problem? Yeah, this is okay, correct. This is plus. By mistake I have written minus, so this will be plus. Okay, so this will become minus. Right hand side, this will also become minus. Now we got. So this will become minus 21 is equal to 0. So this is our quadratic equation. Now it is up to us that whether to go by splitting the middle term or by using the formula. So we are doing formula. So this time we will go for formula. Okay. So here, what is A? A is the coefficient of x square, that is 1 here. Nothing is here, that means 1. A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 4, and C is equal to minus 21. Now find the value of x. X is equal to, now you can use the formula minus B plus minus under root B square minus 4AC, B square minus 4AC upon 2A. But doing formula method will take too much time. If the factors are easy, then we can do it directly here. 7 and 3, 7 3 is 21 and we can get the answer. So you can try by this formula also. But here we can split 4 into 7 and 3. So minus 7x, 7 3 is 21 plus 3x minus 21 is equal to 0. So we can take the common x. So it will become x minus 7 plus 3 common x minus 7 is equal to 0 and x minus 7 is common. So x plus 3 is equal to 0, which will give you a value of x as 7 and 3. So 7 and minus 3. So minus negative age is not possible. So leave that one. So x is equal to 7. Therefore, his present age, Rahman's present age is 7 years. Rahman's present age is 7 years. Okay. In a class test, the sum of Shefali's marks in mathematics. See the sum of Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. One girl, she wrote the test and she got sum of the marks in math and English is 30. Okay. Number second condition, had she got 2 marks more in mathematics, 3 marks less in English. अगर उसने 2 marks ज्यादा लिए होते, had she got means इसने 2 marks अगर ज्यादा लिए होते मैथमेटिक्स and 3 marks less in English, if she would have got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of marks would be 210. Okay. So as the sum of mathematics marks and English, you can see here if maths, she got maths plus English is equal to x is equal to 30. So total 30. So maths plus English is equal to 30. If she get in maths x, so what will be the marks in English? 30 minus x. English will be equal to 30 minus x. You can do in the rough. So that means if we suppose the marks in maths is x, then English will be 30 minus x. Okay. So we will let Jeffali's marks in Jeffali's mark in mathematics Vx. In maths Vx. Math in math Vx. Then her marks then her marks in English will be in English will be 30 minus x, because their sum should be equal to 30 minus x, as I told you here. You can do it on the rough side. Now, as per the given condition of the problem, according to the given condition, now condition says that if you would have got 2 marks more in mathematics, what is the score in mathematics? X marks. 2 marks more means add 2, x plus 2, that x plus 2. He would have got x plus 2 marks and 3 marks less in English. So English she got 30 minus x, but if she would have got less than this by 3, so minus 3, then their product will become 210. Are you getting my point? Again, see, 2 marks more in mathematics, so x plus 2 more means 2. 3 marks less in English means minus 3. And their product is multiplication, this is the product, would have been 210, that is equal to 210 according to the given condition. Okay. Now solve. Now we can solve to get the answer. That's it. So now x plus 2 into 30 minus 3 will become 27. So this will become 27 minus x is equal to 210. Okay. And now multiply this x with 27. this will become 27x minus x into x square, then 2 multiply, first multiply x with 27, then x with this, then 2 with 27, then 2 with minus x. 2 into 27 plus 54, 27 to the 54, 2 into minus 2x minus x minus 2x is equal to 210. Okay, now we get minus x square as it is, 27 minus 2, 25x, and plus 54 and minus 210 bring on left hand side is equal to 0. So we whenever, or you can solve later on, you can change the sign. Okay, so minus x square plus 25x minus 156 is equal to 0. Whenever, just remember, whenever you have negative sign here in the starting with x square negative sign number, you have to change the sign. Always it should be positive. So multiply by minus, it will become x square minus 2x, sorry, minus 25x minus 25x plus 156 is equal to 0. Now you can split the terms. I am telling you direct splitting, but you should do that. I'll tell you. I told you already that how to split that middle term. So 12 and minus 12 and minus 13, because both are minus. Minus 12 minus 13 will become minus 25, and their multiplication will be 156. So we can write as x square, x square after this, x square minus 12x minus 13x plus 156 is equal to 0. Take out common term, x is common here, x minus 12. Here you can take minus common and 13 common, it will become x minus 12 is equal to 0. And x minus 12 is outside common, so we get x minus 13 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 12 or x is equal to, we get the answer x is equal to 12 or x is equal to 13. So when we take x is equal to 12, there are two answers here. We got, if we take x is equal to 12, then 12, 30 minus 12 will become 18. So we scored 12 marks math, and 12, 30 minus 12. 30 minus 12 will be 18. So 18 marks, if we take x is equal to 12, 18 marks in English. Or if we take x is equal to 13, so we will write or he scored 13 marks in mathematics and 13 marks, and then it will become 17, because 30 minus 13 will become 17 marks in English. So there could be two possible answers. Either she scored 12 marks in math and 18 marks in English, then the situation will be same, or 13 marks in math and 18 marks in English. Okay.